I thought you were very awkward already. Yes, I still don't know how to start a vlog. Let's just say it was a very hectic week. We had to push everything to the last week to accomplish. So in our plans, we had 2 dance videos to shoot and all to be edited by 31st, so we can post. Tuesday, I had a dance practice with my friend for the Thursday shoot. And Wednesday, we last minute booked a studio somewhere to practice. Thursday, I invited friends for lunch, but I forgot to film it, and then we headed off to the shoot location. You know, every single one of my vlog has a lift shot. That's how stupid it is. What happened to our shoot location? I'll insert some pictures of how this place should look like. Well, it's lucky that we are not here for the flowers, and the lack of colour actually helps us with our Halloween shoot. No, it's in my phone.
You want to go see? You want to check?
Oh, pain already. Oh, pain. There you go.
We called it good enough, and I have to rush to dance practice with my other team. Don't film while going upstairs, guys.
That's the bar. On it? Okay, what's the number? So anyway, inside.
Wow, this is so fancy.
Oh, you're doing a room tour, is it?
I want to vlog. Oh, I love the brick! Oh no, industrial look. Shit. My soft spot. It has so far. Oh my god, how much was this? Look like spider. It's not trying to look like spider. This is too fancy. It's fake brick wall. Is it fake? Is it real? Feels real. Facial? Maybe a brick facial? And naturally, I have to take a selfie, especially since I'm all done up. Then Friday was the shoot with the big group after work. I think I was tired. I forgot to bring a few things, and I'm wondering if I should go home first after work and then go out to shoot location after that. I wore my uniform. I was asked by a lot of people how old I was today. Can't I just wear Japanese school uniform out as a almost 30-year-old person? Just a before clip and an after clip. I wore contact lens. I brought the bowl that I forgot to bring, and I drew myself some zombie bite marks and scratches. My brother was a good sport. And then I went to the shoot location. I think this is a set for something. Unfortunately, I was pretty bad at taking behind the scenes shots for this one. And yeah, most of them is selfies between takes. But don't worry guys, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of bloopers that my friend's gonna put up. Be sure to check us out on Oki.J Plus. I'll leave the subscription link somewhere.
Oh my god, yes. Oh the eyeliner thing, the lip tint that guys. My face is fucked.
But you got foundation, right? It needs to be better.
Face paint.
I am GG. Look at this, it's not coming off.
Okay.
Should I wear my hair first, right? I have lipstick on my head.
Oh no!
Someone didn't think this through.
I didn't bring makeup remover. I didn't think this through also.
How are you going to get home? Grab all? How else?
Saturday rest. Rest for me, but it was a editing day for my friends. Other than removing my nails and enjoying the tattoos a little bit more, I honestly really did spend this day sleeping. I was so tired. And then Sunday, Halloween. We posted all our videos, and then I was supposed to have another shoot. Nothing to do with Halloween, just a fish team yukata shoot, but it didn't end up happening, going our way or anything. The end.